Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next printf statement. See, write all of you one space percentile d and printf another printf statement slash n two space percentile d at printf of write 3. Yeah, all of you write this. I equals to write these two lines and write the output. Write these two lines and write the output.
One.
I Nikita.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, what is the output?
First three will be printed,
Good.
and then 2 space 5. Next
3
line,
will
in
be
the
printed.
next line,
Yeah.
2
2
space
space
5.
2
Mm.
space 5. Good.
One.
Next
And the next line, 1 space
1 space
uh, 6.
6. Okay. Now what is I value? Total I value is
Um,
how much? I
6.
value is 6. Good. Okay, we'll check it once. See, first 3 will be printed. Why? Because last printf statement will be executed first. 3 will be printed now. Second, this statement will be printed. Next line, 2 space percentile. What is this percentile? It returns the length of this printf. What it prints? 5 characters. 5 will be printed. What is this next line? 1 space percentile. What is this percentile? Length of this. What is the length of this? Slash and 1 character. 1 plus 3. 4 space 5 and 6. 6 will be printed. I also same. 3 slash and 4 and 5 and 6. 6. This is the output. 3 2 space 1. Check it. See the output. See when I'm executing 3 is 2 space 5 1 space 6 and I equals to 6. Clear it is? Yeah. Next printf statement. See this. Next printf statement. Now I'm writing printf of 1 printf of 1 plus printf of 2 plus printf of 3. Printf of 3. Now if I write I equals to printf of 1 plus printf of 2 plus printf of 3, then what is the output? Okay, tell me what is the output. Yeah, Ruhina.
Sir, here in printf there is no percentile D, so I think the
Yeah.
size won't be substituted in that.
Okay, then what is the output? Total output, tell me what you are guessing the output.
Maybe 3, 2, 1 will
3
be
2 1.
printed.
Okay, what is I value?
Uh, I value
Yeah,
1, 2, 3, 11, maybe 11.
11. Yeah, see
Mm.
it's not 3 to 1. It
Yeah,
prints
one,
1
2, 3
2.
because yes, sir,
Yeah,
because it is
it's
not in printf. It is not
yeah,
nested.
it's not printf within the printf, right? It's not nested.
Yes,
That's
sir.
why it is individual statement. When it is an individual statement, it takes, see, printf of 1 plus printf of 2 plus printf of 3. Length of this plus length of this plus length of this. 3. This length is 3. This length is 3. This length is 5. 3 plus 3 plus 5 is 11. Okay, I value is 11. How it prints? It is treated as individual statement 1 2 3. There is no spaces or anything, right? Then output
Yes,
is
sir.
what? See the output 1 2 3 it prints and I value is 11. Clear it is?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is about printf statement. This is about printf statement. Okay, now I will discuss about scanf. Scanf returns the length of number of inputs. Scanf returns number of inputs, right? Okay, how it takes the parameters, right? Scanf. What is scanf statement? Scanf returns number of input. It is used to read input values. It is it is used to it is used to read input values from the keyboard. It is used to read inputs values from the keyboard. It is used to read input values. Okay, what it returns? It returns number of inputs. It returns number of input values. It returns number of inputs values. Okay, how many values are there? It returns that many values. Example C, if I write I equals to scanf of C, if I write I equals to scanf of two values I want to read. If I want to read a two values and percentile D and address of A and address of B. If I write address of A and address of B, two values you are reading. What is I value? It returns. Okay, we'll check it once. What is scanf? Okay, I want to read two values. Then how it prints? Scanf program I will discuss. Okay, I want to declare A and B values. I want to read A and B values first. Okay, how to read A and B values? Printf of series. Now I want to read A and B values. I want to write this statement. Enter A and B values, right? I want to read enter A and B values. How to read? I equals to, now I want to write scanf of read two values, percentile D and percentile and address of A and address of B. I want to read these two values. Okay, and I want to print all values. A and I and all values I want to print. Okay, what is A value? A equals to percentile D and B equals to percentile D and I equals to percentile. First value is A, second value is B, and next value is I. Okay, now I want to read enter A and B values. First is 100, next is 200. First value stored in 100, second value stored in 200. If you read 300 also, nothing will happen. Okay, here what will happen? If I take here, now these all values stored in the buffer area. For input it takes some buffer area. For input it takes some buffer area. Example, it takes like this. Some memory will be there. First value and second value will be stored, third value also will be stored. With this memory also, how much you want to enter, we can enter. These all values stored in the buffer area. Input buffer, you know that standard we use flush. What is flush? If you want to delete these values, we use that flush function, right? Flush function. Okay, first value is 100, second value is 200, and third value is 300. Okay, whatever the value is there, first value it goes to first input variable. First value it goes to first input, second value goes to second input value. Here we are reading two values, that's why 100 will be stored A, 200 will be stored B. But what about this? This will be stored in buffer area, but we are not storing in any variable. Okay, we have one separate topic. Okay, buffer memory. The topic we will discuss how to remove, how to this take. Okay, I will show you. Now see, enter this. A is 100, B is 200. What is I? I is 2. Number of inputs is 2. Number of inputs is 2. Okay, it returns number of inputs. Okay, now can I write scanf statement within the printer? Now I want to write printf of C. Here I want to write /n welcome space percentile D. Can I write scanf statement within the printf? Previously we have written printf within the printf. Now what is the output? Okay, if I user inputs are 10 and 20, if user inputs are 10 and 20, tell me what is the output, guys. User inputs are 10 and 20. If user inputs are 10 and 20, tell me the output. First write and tell the output. What it takes. If user inputs are 10 and 20, Yeah, tell me.
Welcome space 4.
First it reads the values, right?
Yes.
Yeah, if I enter first value is 10, 10 values stored in A, 20 values stored in B. Now what it takes? Welcome space. What it prints?
4.
Welcome space 4. Why 4?
Percentile
Arvind.
D.
Welcome
4
space 2.
characters.
This percentile D means what? Percentile D means what? Printf value, right? Sorry, scanf value. This percentile is what? Scanf value. Yes or no? What is scanf returns? Scanf returns number of inputs. What are the number of inputs is 2. Now it takes 2. Here it what takes 2. It takes 2. Now what is I value? I value is 7 characters. Welcome is 7. 7 and this 1, right? It is a one character. 2 means 1. 8 space 9 and 10. I value is what? 10 it returns. Clear? See, total output. First reads the values. Read the two values. First 10 and 20. See the output. Welcome space 2. A is 10, B is 20. What is I is 10? Why I is 10? This welcome 7 characters, space 8, 9, and slash and also is there. Count the slash and that is 10. I is 10. Clear it is? How it is taking the parameters. How it is taking the parameters. Now, difficult one, all of you concentrate. Okay, now difficult one. Now, same question I am giving, printf within the scanner. Now I am giving here A, B values I am giving, all of you concentrate. Now A value I am giving 10 or 55 I am giving. See, concentrate. A value 55, B value 66 I am giving. Again I am reading these two values. Now I want to print what? Now I am printing three values here. Percentile D, okay, in the printf statement. Percentile D, percentile D, percentile D. Which values I am printing? Three values. Percentile D, percentile D, percentile. Three values I am printing. And first value is what? A, second value is what? B, third value is what? Scanf. Okay, now what is the output? Guys, it is some difficulty to understand. If I write like this, printf within the scanf, then what is the output? Okay, one space we are giving between the percentile D and percentile. One space, 3 percentile Ds are there. One space I have given. Now, user inputs are 10 and 20. A value is 10, B value is 20. User inputs are 10 and 20. Total output, I want this output. Yeah, remove this. This is not required. This is not required. What is the output now? I also not required. I also not required. Write only this printf state. My question is what? Does it print 55, 66 or 10 or 20? That is my question.
10 and 20.
10 and 20.
It prints 10 and 20, sure? Or
Yes.
55, 66?
10, 20.
10, 20, sure? Yeah, okay. Why? Because see, here, first which one will be executed first? First, which
Is
one will be executed?
55?
Scanf will be executed. Yes or no? Scanf will be executed. Why? Because already I told 3 percentile is there. It executes from right to left. This value will be evaluated. First, scanf value will be executed. This scanf value. What is scanf? You are reading two values, 10 and 20. If you read 10 and 20, this 55, 66, these values overridden. Now A is 10, B is 20. Okay, what is this percentile? This percentile is a scanf value, right? This percentile is a scanf value. What is scanf value? Number of inputs. What is the number of inputs? 2. Number of inputs is 2. Now what is this percentile? This percentile is this. Now it executes. B it is. What is B? 20 or 66? 20. Why? Because modified. Now it is 20. Right? Now it is 20. What is this percentile? A it is. What is A is? 10, 20 space 20. Clear it is? 10 space 20 space 2. Okay, we'll check it. Read values. Now I'm reading 10 and 20. Right? If I give 10 and 20, see the values. 10 space 20 space 2. Are you following? Right?
Yes.
The same question now. See, first how I am reading. See, first scanf, after that A, after that B. Same question this. Now tell me the output. Yes, same inputs are same, 10 and 20. Inputs are 10 and 20. Tell me the output now.
2, 55, 66.
Sure? Are you sure? No.
Yes.
Okay.
20, sorry, 10, 20.
10, 20.
Okay,
Last
10, 20.
percentile.
Three percentiles are there, right?
20.
Sorry?
2, 10, 20.
2, 10, 20. See, which one will be executed? Tell me. This one, right?
Can it?
Yes.
No, this one.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
executes right to left, right?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Last percentile. What's last percentile? B. It's a B. What is B value now? B value is
66.
66. Here it prints
66.
66.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is this percentile? This
A.
is A. Now what it prints? 55. Right?
55.
This is 55. Now what is this percentile? Scanf. What is
Size of
scanf value?
number of
2 inputs. That is 2. Now output is 255, 66. But we are reading here values, but it changes the values, but it won't print it. Are you following?
Yes, sir.
Before reading, we are printing them. Before reading, we are printing them. That's why this answer is C. On check it. If I run the program, if I give 10, 20 also, 10, 20, see the output 255, 66. We have to understand which process is happening first. Clear, understood? First printing or reading. First printing or reading. First we are printing, after that we are reading. Right? First printing
Yes,
A,
sir.
B values, after that only we are reading. Clear? Write this value also. This number. Okay.